Hey guys, this is your buddy Parikshishta Mali, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to download a particular firmware for your Honor or Huawei devices via firmware finder. So first of all, install firmware finder from the Play Store and open it. Now it will automatically detect your model number. As of now I have Honor 8 Pro Indian variant, so it is DUKL096 C675. So let's open it and now keep it in mind that you need to download full OTA ROM if you want to flash, unbrick, or restore your Honor devices. But if you want just particular update, then you can go with this OTMF. But we are here to download full firmware, so please download full OTA firmware. The latest full OTA firmware as of now it is 25th of April 2018. So let's click on it and now it will show you some contents of it. So first check the firmware access if it is approved for my device or not. Yes, it has been approved here. Now guys, you can download with an DNS update through DNS in a proxy, but we don't go with all those things, and we're going to click on download and now select all those three files, or you can download one by one. Like just if you want to download in this app, then press OK, but then you will not you cannot you will not able to play or pause according to your convenience, and it will constantly download those files. So we want to download with some particular browser, so let's do it step by step. First select one of these files. As I've selected update.zip, so you can see here that DUKL09i, and this here is the IN, which is an Indian version. So this is for an Indian variant. So click on share firmware. Now copy to clipboard just once. Okay, now open any browser like Chrome and paste this link here and go. So I think I have problem with, okay guys, you can see that this file is being downloaded now. So let's cancel it because this is only for tutorial. Okay, now you can do these things with all these three files one by one. So this is how you can download particular file for your particular stock firmware file for your Honor devices. Now if your device is bricked and you want to download the stock firmware to flash your device, then there is also another thing you can do with any other Honor or Huawei device. If you find from your friend or anyone else, just get the device and install this application, and you can here add the model. But for that you must know the region, and according to region the model name of your device. So as of now I have DUKL09, but let's guess if there is on a 6x and you want to download its stock firmware for India, so it's BLN L22. So here is also attention that disclaimer that do not install firmware that doesn't match your model or region, even if it is approved or for installation on your device. This can lead to irreversible consequence, so please keep it in mind guys. Now enter your model query. So I think this thing is, let's install BLN L22. So here are the version. So let's guess if you're for the India, I think it's BLN L22 C675. Okay guys, let's press OK. So the model has been added. Now open it and see if there is anything for that device. Yes guys, here it is. These are the some updates. So this is the full OTA. I think this is the Nougat. Yes guys, 7.0 EMUI 5.10 update. So if you still are doubtful, then you can go here and search for your model. For example, Honor 6X Indian, Honor 6X model name with build number. Let's see what we get. So it is BLN L22 and initial update. So guys, as I have told you, BLN L22 C675. So we had done the right thing. So now from here, if you have bricked Honor 6X, then you can go with this firmware and install on your Honor. Oh, sorry, you can flash on your Honor 6X phone. Check availability. Yes, this firmware is not approved for installation because this is not an Honor 6X. That's why it is saying. But if you want to download, as I have told you before, you can download that way this firmware for your Honor device. So I hope you like this video, and this method will also help you to unbrick or restore your Honor devices, as I will make the video on how to restore Honor 8 Pro. So for that you can use this method to download particular firmware for your Android device, guys. So guys, I hope you like so guys, I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Thanks again.